Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to see the right way to grow and care for camellia plant. It's a beautiful flowering plant that blooms in the spring. If you are finding any issues while growing camellia plant, for example bud turning brown and falling off and so on, then I am sure that this video is going to help you. I actually grew this plant before too, and this footage is from 2020. Really gorgeous bloom. It was hybrid, and if I am not wrong, the name of this variety is Arctic Dawn. That time I did not take much footage like I usually do. That's why I got a new plant in 2023 and record everything from the very beginning so that I can share with you. I got the second plant in May 2023. Whenever you want to buy camellia plant, try to buy a healthy plant and if possible, buy only those plants which already have produced the buds. To repot, selected one 8-inch wider and 8-inch deeper pot. Preparing potting soil mix bit carefully, and here it is how I am doing. I am taking 4 different components almost in equal part. First one is normal garden soil. Second one is red soil which I have collected from hillside. Camellia needs acidic soil and hillside soil is normally bit acidic. Third part is vermicompost and last part is dried leaves. Then mixing all the components well. If you like, you can also shred the leaves. I also did that as it was difficult to mix them well. Let's repot the plant quickly. I am going to add one more component in potting soil mix. We can repot camellia plant anywhere from February to June. Please do it within the time as they take many days to produce buds. Because of the same reason, please have patience while growing camellia. It would be somewhat difficult to get the blooms in the same year unless they have matured buds, something like this. Here I am adding fresh 20 grams tea leaves. I am using directly, but you can also use used tea leaves. But please make sure to clean it well before using. It should not contain any sugar, adding it just to make the soil acidic. After this, I would provide maximum 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight, but please note that filtered sunlight is ideal. Anyway, it's going to change after some days. Please keep watching. It's after 7 months and it was the month of January. My plant has produced many buds as you can see. Let me show you how I feed my plant. Using 3 components. First one is 15 grams mustard cake powder and second one is 25 grams bone meal. Third component is 1 teaspoon single super phosphate. We can apply the same once in 45 days to 2 months. Instead of mustard cake powder, you can use anything that is going to provide higher percentage of nitrogen, and instead of bone meal, you can use rock phosphate. Please note, from today onwards, I would provide only filtered sunlight. Though temperature remains low in January, I don't want to take any risk. If it gets too much direct sunlight, buds may fall off. Cover the components with the soil and then water well. After 10 days from today, I would add one more component and it is potassium humus. The product, whatever I am using, it is containing 80% potassium humus and 20% other humus material. Dose is 2 grams in 1 liter water. If you are facing bud blast issue, please try applying potassium humus once. Potassium helps flowers and fruits to form, and if there is any lack of potassium, buds may fall off before blooming. It's important to apply the potassium on camellia as buds take many days to develop and we can apply once in 25 to 30 days. Finally, this is the result after 9 months. My plant is blooming well. Achieved my target. I had to wait for many days to see this, but it's worth. The flowers are really beautiful. Even Egon is quite happy too. He is actually unable to control his excitement. Here is an already spent bloom. Few important notes. Number 1. If the temperature is already increasing, please try to protect your plants from direct sunlight at any cost. Number 2. In summer, daily watering would be needed, or else we are going to find droopy leaves as you can see here. I did not water yesterday on purpose so that I can show you this footage. I am going to water immediately. However, in winter we can let the topsoil dry out before watering. Number 3. It has also started growing many new growths. Means we should apply nutrients as soon as possible. Like camellia plant, azalea is another beautiful flowering plant that blooms in the spring. In one of my videos, I have shared my tips to get maximum flowers on azaleas. In case you are interested in knowing, please check out the next video. That's all about how to grow and care for camellia plant, and I would really appreciate your feedback on this video. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.